Jambo. Today, let me tell you why I started this YouTube channel, The Swahili Age with Diana Kabaka. Well, I've talked about my love for where my love for Swahili language came from, and it is a deep connection that I have with my father. You can watch the previous video and you'll see what I talk about there. So, uh, this year on September 29th will mark 8 years since my father passed on to a tragic road accident. And as I've been processing my grieving process and my grief, I was looking for ways to heal and to still feel happy, to still treasure the memories that we had with my father. I had with my father, particularly. And so an idea came to my mind to start this channel, and I was toying with that idea since sometime last year to start this channel. But it is only this year that I got a nudge and I decided now this is the year that I begin the YouTube channel, The Swahili Age with Kabaka Diana. It's a channel for me to share with you my love for Swahili language. And as I share with you my love for Swahili language, I hope to spread the language far and wide globally. I hope to pass on a few nuggets here and there because I'll be sharing about the language and the culture and everything in between, giving it as authentic as I can. No sugarcoating, very authentic, and just show you the real Swahili culture. And apart from that, I'll also be taking you through my healing process as I process, as I come to terms and accept that indeed my father is gone. And even if he's gone, the things that we used to love to do together cannot be gone with him. So that is why Swahili Age with Kabaka Diana was born. It is a way in which I connect with my father. It's a labor of love from a daughter to a father. And that goes to tell you that I share about the Swahili language passionately and authentically. I know there are many other Swahili language channels out there, but mine is very authentic and very passionate. And it's also, like I've said, a way in which I heal. I accept and I let go of the remorse. I let go of the anger that I felt towards death and towards my father for leaving just too soon. And of course, I share the fun side of the Swahili culture with you all. And to help spread this language that I love so much far and wide, just like I've already said. And some people may just consider Swahili language an African language, just another African language. But I hope to use my channel to remove, or rather to demystify that myth and to make it known that Swahili is not just for Africa or for East Africans. Swahili is for everyone. Even you listening to me, even you watching me, you encounter Swahili in your day to day life. For example, the phrase Hakuna Matata. I know you could be using it. I know you've heard it from the Lion King. Well, Hakuna Matata simply means no worries. So in this channel, it is always Hakuna Matata. No worries. We take life easy, we enjoy our life, and we enjoy the deep Swahili culture. So come with me along this ride. Let me teach you Swahili as we go, and also help me honor the memory of my father. Help me spread the language that I love so much, and let it grow. Let it grow to deeper heights and deeper lengths. And from wherever you're watching me from, I hope you enjoy the ride because I am sure you will enjoy the ride. I am here for the long run, so watch out for videos every week about Swahili culture. I will talk about Swahili and travelers. If you're planning a safari to East Africa, I'll talk about Swahili and business, or Swahili for business for those of you looking to invest in East Africa. I'll talk about basic Swahili phrases if you just want to learn Swahili language for fun. I'll talk about Swahili for children. If you want your children to learn an African language, then Swahili is a way to go. I'll talk about everything Swahili, from culture, literature, to books, to music, to food, and so on and so forth. And in between, I'll be sharing little bits about myself and my personal life. And so, like I said, authenticity to the very end. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that when the next video drops, you don't miss out. I love you, and kwaheri. It's Diana Kabaka for the Swahili Age with Kabaka Diana.